Pisces, so I have already shuffled. Let me pull cards for you. What does your person feel about you? Pisces, what does your person feel about you? Rising Venus, Sun, Moon, Rising Venus. For Pisces, show me the cards I need to see. What does the person feel about Pisces? Their person feel about Pisces. Maybe you're straightforward, maybe you even they are the same as you. Both are swords energy here. I don't know, maybe both should have some guidance with some elders, because for new beginning or for reconnection you want to have a guidance new beginning. So want to like look for some head person in your family to seek some the current or the future things which you want to reconnect with your partner. Or maybe swords energy can be a little straightforward, like king of swords, queen of swords, soulmate connection I see here. It may be twin flame, soulmate connection, past relationship. uh, Whatever idea you get, the judgment, it's all like correction, commanding authority. It is mean militant intelligence, law officers, or the crown which you have, maybe you or your person. Both are having like a king queen here. I see a true love here. I see a reconnecting, having a family life together, or building. But female is sad, embarrassment, absence, separation. See, female, I don't know, maybe your person walked away from you, maybe you or your person walked away. I see the sadness card here. The king is waiting to reconnect, but he is in his own throne. He just want to be there. I don't know. He just want to be like that. I don't know whether it's not like he's but loyal to you. He's not loyal. I'm not telling that way. He's loyal to you, but the Hierophant card which came up is like marriage problems, or maybe the parents are not agreeing. Another account, it may be goodness, inspiration, the man whom quarant as a recourse. So Hierophant card, Hierophant. Hierophant card is a tradition lesson, a spiritual leader or a guide, enlightenment, awakening in service of spirit, education or training, new paradigm. Maybe your person is trying to get into a new path, like he want to be his own guru, he want to be a throne leader or a kingdom leader, something like that, a family ruler, or he is a best known person actually. Clarify me the cards. Queen of Cups. What is Queen of Cups? Clarify me the cards. See, I don't know. There is a lot of cards jumped out, so I'm not gonna take that. Spirit cards will give me one card. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, one more card. Just give me one more card. Maybe to have a family life, you certain time you want to just listen to the people who have more experience, actually, to the elder person. Maybe here there is a kind of thing they took for advantage. Maybe a person took you for advantage of theirs. So now they're feeling they want to reconnect to you. They have learned little patience towards you. They're short tempered actually. I see lot of that overcut suddenly, short temper, suddenly they're into um, I don't know. They're thinking of it actually, to have a family life. They want to connect to you, but they're waiting for you to go to them actually. to both of them are like holding towards watches, like both of them have options, both of them have options. But Queen of Wands, all these cards, Queen of Swords, everything is telling a little bit a queen is stronger than a man here actually. I don't know, through their thoughts, through the things which they have experienced, it made them rude. But patience is required here for you people. Patience, I definitely want patience from both the sides. And like feeling there is a ego, there is a attitude, lot of holding energy. They are not letting go. Temperance is like it's a blending energy, maybe patience. Sometimes you only go and talk to them, blending your energy, masculine or feminine, balance, duality, the fluidity of time, meditation, perpetual motion of life, neutrality, restraint, patience, purpose, clashing interest. Maybe both have the clashing interest same. Maybe the things which like dislikes, it works on it actually mainly. Where you're focusing your precious energy right now. Maybe you have been overdoing it in your social life, but being on a television, drinks, food, overspending, focusing on relationship, that is depleting more energy than it is replenishing. Being only materialistic versus only spiritual, we live in the world of extreme passion, right? Eat yourself, slowing down, decide for excess. I'm just telling what to do. The guidance is only like the desires. The thing is, the desires for excess in any one area of life may be harder than you think. Don't do drastic right now, okay? Don't do it because stay away from all or nothing choices, clearing your energy of extremes. This has a depth meaning. This all cards which have pulled that over, these all cards are very much implementing you for a future. It implements you. What you are expecting now or what you are surviving, from what you are surviving right now, it is experience for you in future. Unexpected change, chaos that are pulled from beneath. Maybe you are pulling your own rug. You will pull your own rug. That is for sure. Because overthinking and overconfidence will always hurt a person back to them. Because awareness and perspective destruction, being unsure of who you are, it will happen like I whom you like. Overconfidence, you won't get identity from it. Buckle up and expect the unexpected. That's all. Sometimes we restrict the change of point. Universe will shift into destructive and chaotic way, but fundamentally changes how we see our reality. There is a strange beauty in our deconstruction as of all elements. I told you, in all elements. For all the reading, I have used the word elements. Elements. Which includes like a better life found amongst a rubble. So, to rebuild something foundational, something extraordinary, trust that you will held by universe. Okay. So I'm just telling you, come out of this energy right now, the chaos, and I move forward, brightness, light. There is a light. See, and one more thing, the Scorpio also have end of tunnel a light. Actually, here also there is a light after falling down. There is sudden shocking news or sudden thing happening. So okay, let me pull fast angel messages for you. Creating happiness in your family. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for Iris. 2, 3 cards fell down now. One card for Pisces. Spirit sketch, please. One card for Pisces. Thank you. One card for Pisces. Again, one card for Pisces. Thank you. One more. Maybe still sad. You are very sad knowing the future. Maybe the thing is, you want to come out of it. The fire energy, you have to pick your own strength. I see Leo here, the presence of Leo. Seeds will be planted temporarily, but unnecessary worry. This is unnecessary worry actually. There is a see. What do you feel from these cards? I'm telling you, you both are soulmates. You are gonna connect each other. You're gonna marry. You're gonna have kids. You're gonna travel to beach. I see everything, but you're the same reconnection card. See, celebration, wedding, graduation, or birth announcement. The need of more fun. The angels will connect to your situation because angels are connected to you, my dear Pisces. So, line of hair, expecting the worst. You are overthinking, expecting the worst. So, the sleepless nights are now yours. You're owning it actually. Here, one more thing I just want to show you. Okay, this is just for a proof. The reading which always give me some certain of confidence because Hierophant and angels and the Tower card is giving you some guidance. Prior awareness. So there is a passionate adventurous you have, but you should assure yourself for rest of the life, because a sudden event that needs an immediate attention from you, time is of essence. Think things through carefully. So the things which you think carefully will only give you how you act is the thing. The main thing is how you act. But you're uh, right now maybe these cards are like telling me it's a worst time of your brain. Your brain is interacting more with you now. It's not in positive, my dear. It's not in positive. I'm telling chaos. You're pulling all chaos, negativity into your life. You just want to let it out because the fire energy or the person who will come back, they will treat you well. They will show you love. They will reconnect to you and build new life. New certain elements will be changed. New principle, new boundaries, everything will be arised once they come into your life. Allow the thing to happen, or allow you go to them, or try to talk to them, because once you do that, you may create a family life. You may create a very good get together party celebration. Once the celebration happens, the mind refreshment also will automatically come up. So, Pisces, I just want to give you one more guidance. It is your new beginning actually. The cards are like telling your person is waiting for the new beginning with you. They, I will show you one more card. I'll show you one more card. Underneath, I got Queen of Wands, which they're waiting for you. They're waiting for some news. They want even you to respect their thoughts, ideas equally, and you want to share everything equally to them because they are no less than anybody. No men are no less than anybody. Everybody is equal. Everybody has life. Even females are very much. Uh, good going in society right now actually. You want to let them to work, you want to let them to have their life, have their career, whatever it is, their passion at least. So let them go into the new field or new ideas, whatever it is. So allow them, or you also can help them. So there is nothing wrong in it. So reconnect with them, like there is a good celebration coming up. Get ready to that. Meet them, talk to them. Hope this resonated to you. Thank you, Pisces. So please do comment, check the description box. And one more thing is, lastly, I have completed bonus reading for all reading. This is the last one for the Pisces. So I'm gonna finish it bonus reading here because I have already done all zodiac signs. So check your person's zodiac signs also. If it resonates, please do comment. When you comment, when you like, I may feel I'm being loved. So please give me some love, show me some care, love, some comments, positive comments. If it resonates, definitely I will appreciate. And one more thing is, please share the videos, let the people watch, because this is a collective reading which some major situations only my spirit guides will tell. Like, it will be helpful to few people if they watch this. It will help some people for the guidance also. Some people will hack through the video, so help me out for this. Share this. Add me in the Facebook page so that I'll be offering readings there also. I'll do personal readings, private readings. There is two different readings which I'm personal readings are through um, direct messages for me, and private readings is a direct message. Personally is in Facebook on my page. I give readings in form of message where you put question. It will be like donated, but it's up to you. New subscriber, if you are a new subscriber to YouTube channel, you can have this free reading. Okay, so I appreciate when people comment. Okay, so if it resonates, please do comment. Help me to have more followers or subscribers. Instagram page is also given, YouTube link is also given, Facebook page link is also given, and donations and the mail ID for private readings for my contact also. You can if you want direct readings, I can do depth reading for you people. um, so it is a very good, accurate reading which I'm giving. You can check the reviews in Facebook. You can go to Shri Tarot, which is having lot of reviews there. Here, I'm just pulling all zodiac signs which will resonate. Some people will not resonate, so you can contact me direct. It is only matter of connecting to your energy and giving readings. That's all. So I need to get more subscribers. Please help me to have it. So after I get a lot of like more than 100 plus subscribers or 50 plus subscriber, if I can go live, I'll be doing in YouTube only the live readings, which will be free question and answers zone. So you can please help me for that. Thank you. And please do share and comment. Thank you.